Hello, welcome back to Code and Tuts. Today I will go over the navigation bar. But before we dive into this lesson, I would like to go over what I've explained in the last video, which is CSS positioning, static, sticky, relative, absolute, fixed. And we've also gone over semantics in the HTML5 semantics video, where the header is supposed to be the nav, a side, section, main, footer, and all that. Now, anything could be placed inside the header, inside a side, footer, and section and main elements. But the nav only requires links like home, about, contacts, contact us, any other page that belongs within the website. So I will show you how to insert these links into the nav and require positioning that belongs in the nav bar as well to make it look like an appropriate navigation bar. So with that being said, let's get started. Oops. Okay, what I'm going to do first is make a copy of this. Command A. Save this as I have included. You can name this anything you want. .html. I'll put that in a folder. I'll save this for now. Okay, so in this nav, I'll create an unordered list. Home. Out. Oops. Alright. Contacts. Let's put gallery. Blog. Okay, it's not exactly within a nav, so I'll fix that. I'll go to my semantics, CSS. Oh, was I just there? Oh, here it is. Okay, there we go. So this is what height auto is. Height auto is the height depending on how much content that you put into this div here. And these margins I do not want on my page either, so to get rid of it, what I'm going to do is put body margin none. Let's look at my inspector. This shows me where these margins are going to be. That's the main, nav, header. Why is there so much space? Oh, that's the problem. Okay. You see where these, hold on. You see where these orange things are around the lists? This is why there's space on the top and the bottom of the lists. So I type in UL. I actually want to put it where the nav is. UL margin 0. There we go. Okay, I also want to get rid of those dots because I don't think it'll look right in the navigation bar. So I'm gonna put LI because it's on a list item. And I'm gonna put list style type none. There we go. Now right now it's showing vertically. I want those links to show horizontally, like what the normal navigation bar will look like. So what I'm gonna do is display it. There we go. Yeah, so in order for each of these li elements to display horizontally, you put any li display inline. I would also like to turn these into links. So in order for me to do that, I put A, put this home into this link element, href. All right. I also want to put a padding around the li. It looks too close up there. Let's see, li padding. Let's see what 10 looks like. Why is this so slow? Okay, let's again. Let's try closing this and open it up again. Okay, there we go. So there's a padding around the li. Why isn't it up top here? Let's go to my inspector. Any problems you run into, always go to the inspector. That's your friend. Okay, I see the green part, the padding around the li, but it's not actually showing up in the div. I'll try put a padding in UL. Not margin, padding. There we go. So if you give the li a padding, it will give a padding in between these links. And if you give the UL a padding, it'll give padding all around the links together, therefore giving padding top and bottom as well. Oops. Okay, and see if these work. Pay attention to the address bar. This is going to change as I click on this. Contact, blog, gallery, about. Okay. I put these hashtags here to see if they'll work. I'm going to create the pages now. The about, gallery, blog, content. Save this as Okay, now I will link this to notes, HTML. And I'm also going to link this to this current page, which is nav underscore included HTML. I should put this in these other pages too. Otherwise, these links will only work in this home page only. Let's stick this in here. Okay, refresh. Oh, see, my changes aren't saved because whatever changes I made in the inspector, I didn't include it in my text editor. So I gave this a padding, pixels. See, even when you're teaching this, you will make small mistakes as well, but that's okay. Okay, now it's refreshed. About. There we go. Now I'm at the About page, Gallery, Blog, Contact. Now these pages don't have the style because I didn't link the style in any of these pages, as you can see. Okay, now that I'm on this page. Okay, there we go. If you would like to get rid of the underline on the A tag or link, type A. Text decoration. Text decoration, none. And if you would like to center the text, the links, you can use text align center. Didn't work. Okay. Inspect. Okay, I'll try that new well. Text align center. There we go. You can also do right. I think the right looks better. Yeah. Actually belongs in the UL. You could also color your links if you want to. Either in the UL or LI, doesn't matter. Let's make this a complementary of the yellow, purple. Oh, it's already purple. Let's give it a color of red. Okay. Let's try it in the link. Here we go. Right. All right. You could also change the color of when the link is hovered over by the cursor. To do that, you type A:hover. Let's go with below. Okay. Okay, so now that I've taught you how to create a nav bar and to design a nav bar with the positions and its stylings, I will now create a drop-down nav. You can also do that too. But in a mobile setting, you have to use a drop-down. So I can close these. I'll just comment these out. In order to make a drop-down, you start off with a tag select option. Now within these select tags, the select means you select from the whole list, and option meaning you pick whichever option you want. So let's say home, option, about, option, contacts. Okay, let's see. Here it is, home, about, gallery, block, contents, and the drop down. Now I want to change the styling of the drop down. So from there, let's change the font size. Font size 5 pixels. Oh, too big. There we go. And I want a background color transparent, meaning no color. There we go. I want to get rid of the border. It don't look good to me. There we go. Home, about, gallery, block, contacts. To create navigation links and drop-downs, here's how you do it. Make sure you have a value. In the value, you put the page where you want to direct this link to. And in the select, you add on change location equals this dot value. I will explain more in JavaScript in a later tutorial. Okay, refresh. And there you have it. That is it for my lesson on navigation links, the bar, and the dropdown. If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to add it in the comment section below. I would really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my video so far. I will see you in the next tutorial. Have a great day.